Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable lock screen on Windows 11 Home and Pro. First method is open Edit Group Policy. Open Do Not Display the lock screen, change to Enabled. Second method is click Start, Settings, Accounts, Sign In Options. Uncheck Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. Change to Never. Uncheck On Resume, display logon screen. Third method is NetPLWiz in Windows search bar, click NetPLWiz. Open Registry Editor. Paste registry path from description. Change value data to 0. Uncheck users must enter a username and password to use this computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.